I'm not supposed to be doing this because it's raining and I'm driving, but I'm gonna get it started because this is episode 1 of Char Adventures. It is the chronicle of my time as I explore different things in Columbia, my travels with my friends and family. But today is going to be all about my trip to Illinois State University where my parents went and where my sister currently goes. She's a sophomore and this is their homecoming weekend, so I'm going to hang with them and have a little fun. So stay tuned as I chronicle this time with them. The drive from Columbia, Missouri to Normal, Illinois is about 4 hours, so I'm halfway through. I'm past St. Louis right now on 55, so I'm almost there, 2 hours away, probably a little bit less than that.
No cap.
Turn right onto North Main Street, then turn left onto Gregory Street.
I take it personally. Niggas rather work for the man than to work with me, just so they can pretend they on my level. That shit is irking to me. Pride always going before the fall, almost certainly. It's disturbing what I grow.
Turn left onto Gregory Street.
I made it here safe, thank God, and I'll keep y'all posted as I go through this weekend. Okay, so I'm going up to the 4th floor. She gonna be shocked to see me with the camera in my hand, but it's all for the surprise of it. I can't wait to hear her cuss me out or yell at me for having this camera, but it's homecoming, you know, ISU, but I'm Mizzou all day, so let's see how she reacts. She said she's in the first one. Okay. Elevator slow. Girl. There she goes. Look at her.
You got this camera recording.
Look at her. Let me see. Hey, boo.
I'm weak, Charnice. You bought this camera and you don't know how to act. I'm trying to see how. Like,
no, I gotta focus. Stay still.
It's a picture of it.
It's a video, child.
I thought you was like doing an MTV crib.
This is MTV for NTV. Come on. Show me your crib, girl. Show me your crib. Ain't this it? Off the elevator. Shut up.
You don't just kick that one.
I don't give a. Smell like chicken up here. So.
You gotta narrate the story.
No, you narrated it for me.
Yeah.
She made some food. Some macaroni and chars. The good kind. Okay. Then we got some shrimp over here and some chicken. Looks yummy. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Carla.